Beautiful birds don't keep me at the place, right? They come to drink the dog's food, they drink the water, or they eat the dog's food. Please like and subscribe. This is QC. Oh, so we have some puppies here. Yeah, fresh puppies. Arrived couple of hours ago and we settled them down. Apparently they are all falling asleep badly. Yeah, healthy ones, healthy puppies, and they are taking some breast milk as well. Okay, so this video is being recorded for extra purposes. You can like and subscribe to the channel as well. Please do well to share the video and also make it a point to come back and watch the videos. Alright, so you can see this is the time you don't play with your dog. I mean the mother is furious, and I don't know, that's how the nature of female dogs, when they give birth, they become very wild, and you don't joke with this one. I don't want to touch any of them. Myself, I'm taking precautions, so actually right now I have to touch one of them. Because how you think yeah, let's touch. Yeah, if it was another person, I think by now there'll be a lot of, you know what I talk about. Let's see some more. So I think the breastfeeding in this natural way of breastfeeding them, then they suck the little drops of milk from the mom's breast. So let's check their gender. So this is a female, there is also a male, and that's a female. So two females and then one male. Yeah. So the male has the color almost near the mom's. But this black one here is a female. Yeah. So you can see the umbilical cord out live, and this video is on point. There's a lot of service that went on before we got these puppies, and then they being healthy, and as much as you can watch them sucking, means they're using their senses as of now. This is the taste, so you can see all this on my channel. If you don't have my channel on your YouTube channel, I don't know what you're watching there. This is educative, the videos is extra purpose, so I don't really mind. If you really want to like and subscribe, please do well right now. Thank you very much, guys. We call it a wrap, and God bless every one of you. And please do well to like and subscribe to support our channel, because we love puppies, we love dogs, we love cats, and then we are creating a whole universe on our channel with everybody 1-on-1, 2-on-2. Carry the message, and the rest of the world is bounced us too.